Okay, the example is I open the grammar objectives and I want to introduce it to the students, or I want to share it with teachers and make some changes. Now I provide my feedback, or I provide my comments about each of the objectives. For example, in level 1, we have to cover simple present, form and use of simple present, affirmative yes no, WH questions, negative sentences. So present perfect in level 1, articles, comparative superlatives. And so when we go to level 2, we have to cover this and these objectives, and so on and so forth. I can do it with whatever document I want. I can open the document and I can go to Screen-O-Matic, start video there, and then I can start